Hello students, I am Mrs. Silpa Raneri going to explain you the lesson Little Tiger, Big Tiger. In this story, Langur monkey is there, Sambar and Kaka deer are there, and Mother Tiger, Big Tiger and a little tiger that is called a cub. Let's listen the story. There was a mother tiger and her small tiger cub. They lived near a river in a shady jungle. When the sky was dark, the mother tiger hunted for deer and pig. The tiger cub stayed close by his mother's side. Mother tiger and small tiger cub lived near a river in a shady jungle. When the sky was dark, the mother tiger go out to hunt for their food. What she is going to hunt? She is going to hunt deer and pig for their food. And the tiger cub always stay close to his mother's side. When the langur monkey saw her, he called a loud, harsh call. Watch out, a tiger is coming. Now, when the mother tiger go out to hunt the animals, langur monkey saw mother tiger and informed to others animals that mother tiger is coming out to hunt the animals. So all the animals are become careful. They will hide themselves. The Samba deer bellowed, the Kaka deer barked, and sometimes the game got away. In the same, the animals hide themselves to save from the mother tiger. In this way, they played the games. She hunted then for jungle fowl, for peasant, and for frog. She hunted in the jungle. Fowl means domestic cock or hen. Fowl means domestic cock or hen, which the animal used for their food. Peasant and for a frog, or went to the river for fish, or sometimes she went to the river for catching fish. But she did not hunt every night. Mother tiger is not going to hunt every night. Sometimes, some nights she went out and hunt the animals. So, when langur monkey saw the mother tiger, he will inform to all the animals in the jungle. So, everybody will hide themselves. Sometimes mother tiger hunt. Fowl means domestic cock or hen. Frog, and sometimes she went to the river for catching fish also. If the moon was bright, the mother tiger lay down and waited for the dawn. If the moon was bright, if the moon shined so brightly, the mother tiger lay down and waited for the dawn. When the night will become dark, she will go out to hunt the animals. She twitched the tip of her tail. Twitch means sharp pull or pull sharply. She twitched the tip of her tail, and the tiger cub pounced on her tail again and again. Pounce means attack. Pounce means suddenly attack to some things. If he went too far away, the mother tiger called him with a low, quiet grunt. If a tiger cub went too far, the mother tiger called him with a low, quiet grunt. Grunt means it's a sound of pig. She will call to the baby tiger in a grunt. She sound like a grunt. Grunt means She sound like a pig. How pig sound? Grunt. In the same way, mother tiger called to baby tiger with a grunt sound. The tiger cub came back, but he did not like to stay near his mother in the jungle at night. The tiger cub did not want to stay with his mother in the jungle during the night, at night. One night, the mother tiger was tired and closed her eyes. The tiger cub saw a tiny frog hopping along the ground. One night, the mother tiger was so tired and she slept with her eyes closed. Then the tiger cub saw a tiny frog hopping along the ground. Tiger cub saw a frog. Frog was hopping on the ground. The tiger cub pounced. Pounce means suddenly attack to the frog with his paws. But the frog hopped away. When the tiger cub pounced on the frog, attack on the frog, but the frog hopped away. Frog hopped and go away from that place. He chased the frog and caught it, but the tiger cub chased him, follow him. उसके पीछे पीछे भाग रहा था. Followed him, chased the frog and caught it, and afterward he caught it and turned to show his mother. When he caught the frog, when a baby tiger caught the frog and turned to show his mother, what happened? Let's see. What? But she was not in sight. When the tiger cub turned and showed to his mother for a frog he caught, but tiger baby saw? That the mother tiger was not inside. In place of her mother, he saw a big tiger in the jungle. But she was not in sight. Instead, he saw a tiger bigger than his mother near him in the jungle. The tiger's green eyes glistened as he watched the tiger cub. The tiger's green eyes, big tiger green eyes, glisten. Glisten means gleam by reflecting light. Glisten means gleam by, shine by reflecting light. The tiger's green eyes glistened as he watched the tiger cub. The tiger cub was frightened. He could not hide or run. On seeing a big tiger, the tiger cub was frightened and he could not hide or run also over from there. He let the frog hop away. Then he also let the frog hop away. फ्रॉग उसके हाथ से छूट गया. टाइगर कब के हाथ में माउथ में से छूट गया. The tiger crept up closer to the little tiger. The big tiger go near to the little tiger cub, but a roar filled the jungle, the roar of the mother tiger. But the roar was made by the mother tiger, and she faced the other tiger and he went away. The mother tiger liked to roar loud. The mother tiger was roaring loudly and loudly so that other animals of the jungle came to know that she is there, and a big tiger came to the jungle. The mother tiger the mother tiger liked to roar a loud big tiger roar to tell all the other animals in the jungle that she was there. All the other animals in the jungle kept far, far away. So that why did the mother tiger roar so loudly? So that she can inform to others animals and they can hide far, far away from the big tiger. The tiger cub also liked to roar. Along with mother tiger, the tiger cub also roared aloud to tell all the other animals in the jungle that he was there. But all the other animals in the jungle were not afraid at all, and none of them ran away. On informing to others animals that the big tiger came in the jungle so that they can hide themselves, but the other animals did not afraid of the big tiger. They did not ran away. They were in their own shelters only. But there came a year when the small tiger cub was a full grown tiger. He walked for miles alone, hunting for game at night. After a year, the small tiger cub was grown up into a big tiger, and he walked for miles alone for hunting food at night. When he rode to tell all the other animals in the jungle that he was there, all the other animals in the jungle kept far, far away. Then the baby tiger cub grown up into a tiger, and he rode to tell other animals that in the jungle that he was there, and the other animals kept far, far away. And the great big tiger that had been a small tiger cub, hearing his own loud roar, smiled to himself a great big tiger smile. When the baby tiger cub grown into a big tiger, and when he heard a loud roar of himself, then he smiled to himself a great big tiger smile. Shady means where we stay under the shadow, where sun's heat is not there, in the dark place. Below means under the ground. Twitch means pull sharply or sharp pull. Pounce means to capture or suddenly attack. Grunt means big sound. Game, we are playing game. Glisten means gleam by reflecting light. Roar, a sound made by lion, tiger. Fowl, domestic cock or hen, used for food by wild animals. I hope you understand the story of this lesson and the meanings. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.